Hey guys, it's Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have a craft color combo series. Wanted to create something that you guys might have items on hand, and everybody has Kraft Cardstock. Using Another Name for Love stamp set, using the butterfly and the sentiment, using Daydream, Aquatini, It's a Girl, and Party Dress ink from Catherine Pooler Designs. We're going to begin by stamping the sentiment from Another Name for Love onto the center of my Kraft Cardstock. I especially love this sentiment because of Mother's Day coming up next week. Next, we are going to do a two-color ombre effect with this butterfly. We're going to stamp it on the lightest color, which was It's a Girl, and then doing the edges of the butterfly with Party Dress. We're going to clean up our stamp using Aquatini and Daydream, which are the two darker blues, and stamping repetitively around the cardstock. Now, I just felt it was too empty, so I went ahead and continued stamping around the cardstock. Once I felt there was enough butterflies, I put everything away, set aside, and we're going to place the Kraft Cardstock onto the white card base that's been pre-folded, and allowing some of the white card base to show on the edge. We're going to add some embellishment using gold thread, and I bought this thread at Joann's, and it's just embroidery thread. It's glittery and metallic. Making a bow and just shortening that and trimming that up. Next, using some Gansai Tambi Starry watercolors in gold, use the medium shade of that gold and just flickered some of that gold watercolor. Last but not least, I am adding a little bit of gold glitter nouveau onto the body of the butterfly just to give it a little more embellishment. And that, my friends, completes this card stamped on Kraft Cardstock. I hope you've enjoyed this series. Please give this a thumbs up and a sweet comment below. Thank you so much for joining us. Have an awesome day.